you using credit today?" the cashier says to you, and you just stare blankly into their eyes and think, "I don't know. Am I?" Well, you're not alone. The struggle with understanding credit and debit card basics is shared worldwide. And it's not discussed enough with younger generations who are at the prime time to start building their credit and getting a good handle on their money. Before we dive into the magical mystery of credit, we need to understand the basics. So, what is a debit card? A debit card has a direct connection with your checking account. It's essentially how you're able to access your actual money that you've put into your bank. A debit card is also what you would use to withdraw cash from your checking account. There's no payments you need to make because you don't owe anything. The money comes out when you use your debit card. Simple as that. The most important thing to remember with your debit card is to keep track of the money that's in your account. Spending that money without any knowledge of how much you actually have can easily lead to overdrafting or taking more money out of your account than you actually have. This will usually result in a fee, and more than likely your card will be declined until more money is added to the account. So, what is a credit card? This is where things get interesting. When you pay with a credit card instead of a debit card, the money does not automatically come out of your account. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Whatever you charge on that credit card will sit in your account until you decide to pay it. This is a great option if you need to make an emergency purchase that you maybe couldn't afford with a debit card. Every month, you'll need to pay at least the minimum amount, around $25 or so, for your account to be in good standing. But you can also pay the entire balance off every month if you choose. Any money not paid off is technically considered credit card debt and can lead to a monthly interest rate being tacked onto your account if you let it sit there for too long. So, what's the benefit of a credit card? Well, a big benefit of using a credit card is that it can help improve your credit score. Your credit score is something that can impact future loans you might need to take out to buy a home or a car. It can impact whether or not you qualify for an apartment, and it will also affect the amount of money that you pay on certain loans in terms of interest rate or other fees. One thing that does impact your credit score is the amount of on-time payments you make to your credit card. Another is the amount of money that you keep on your credit cards versus your credit limit. This is called credit utilization. While debit cards have their own benefits, they don't really impact your credit score like a credit card does. So a credit card can be a valuable tool to improve your standing with the banking world, leading to peace of mind down the road. What's the deal with automatic payments? Automatic payments can be a good idea if you have a small, consistent amount of money that you're fully aware needs to come out of your checking account every month, but that you sometimes forget to pay on time, which can lead to late fees. However, if you're not careful, automatic payments can easily lead to overdraft. For example, if you set up your electric bill with automatic payments, and this month you used more air conditioning than expected, your bill can easily jump in price, exceeding your budget, and you would have no idea until the bank calls you with an overdraft notice and a fee slapped on top. Another downside to automatic payments is that it doesn't build a habit for you centered around being very aware of your money. Instead, you might go months without looking at the money in your account, making it easier to lead to impulse purchases, forgotten subscriptions, and of course, those nasty overdraft fees. A great alternative to automatic payments is to set recurring reminders on your phone, reminding you to pay certain bills or just to revisit what's going on in your bank account. A monthly or bi-weekly reminder can help build that habit of being money conscious and can lead to a better relationship with your money in the future. I hope that these tips helped you feel a little bit better about your credit and debit cards, and maybe even gave you the confidence to open one up for yourself. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility.